cancelled egati bintu binde binge wigo mkonya bali chirangiche e company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwase company ya MRM aywali ayechi size ao nabego ne chirangi ao mkonya bali black sheets egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbamwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbamwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obwebirengo bigoro totigara magega agerera rero wikumbolere ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Ouru complex eyuerange namagacho asafaricom wigo no tukutuka sakuru ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomuchiwo songo bakere simgwe transit number chabo 0111 161 500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Nyota Dry Cleaners ndiko bagusibya balingana kubase cyanga cyao wekerano ngusibya bare ekisuti kigown kiduve curtains carpet ebikoro tukuru babiri by'abana gwekabiri by'abantabanere wigo mukuru bale obokoreri wa vacuum cleaning sofa set cleaning asechinga niko bagutuka imeyo mu cyubusungo nyanjwa hanene gitali ya maiso mbabwate bwigo bokoreri bwa pick up na bwigo delivery asamange bakirisime ase namba 0742178765 Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi.
Wasovene ase ritukeriga reikomi aso mutinyo gatano na gatatu na usugiria ndonsi asoro mwancho muligiriro Getembe TV karibu sana na ukwanire na ukwarigania ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere nchenkuru kwa Matildah Obaigwa na Ekeonga gochaka nigo omuraiwensi ya Kenya Muske William Ruto na Obaigwa muraiwe kiama keri kia ODM omo Senator Oburu Odinga bono banyare kora erombe ye serikali yobwamo kose broad based ase Chinsa mo cha Naivasha kose Lake Naivasha Resort asinchireyemo yugukwanera buna barache okora okubwaterana anomono chinga kichiga yatigero mwaka oyo mugochia obochori obonene nigo bono igikare kyo kiranyara koira amatukatatu ekero abarai hanomono bali ase birogo obuna ebyo waziri na boigo ase bunge bagende tukusanga ebirengereryo buna barache kubwaterana ase gati ye byama ekyama kere kya UDA kere kya ODM na boigo byama byonsi biribire ase serikali ya broad based
ODM UDA In our meeting today, we have the broad-based family. And as you know, 4 years ago, we were very serious competitors. And we went to the elections with different plans, but converging manifestos. After the election, when we were elected, we took over and began the journey to implement the plan upon which we were elected. And our friends and brothers in ODM, then in the opposition, took up the responsibility of making sure that we were held to account. And today in this meeting, as we meet here, we're going to have a very candid conversation. And that is why I have no notes. Because we want to have a heart-to-heart, candid conversation about where we were, what we have done with the last 4 years. Initially,
Ngakiecho homoske William Ruto nigo anyarire kwera buna gisa serikali enyara goitawa barai kurasense muyuko yareko yambiriria matuko amagiga nigo bono amonchorerio anyarire kororekana ase sector au anamono ase wizariri yekiganjagia serikali asatebire bono ubwasi okumburaro no bwego bakenya mbamanyete ali agenderete gukorekana ase chiwizara
it is very rare to be a leader of a team as big, as committed as the one we have in this room today. Listen, guys. The other side is in chaos. I don't have to say that. I don't have to explain. Yeah? So, as we meet here today, the future of our nation is the subject of our conversation. We did gather the courage to implement the plan upon which we were elected, and subsequently we joined together as a broad-based family. It was not difficult for John Mbadi here when he went to Treasury. It was not difficult for him to understand and to explain what we were doing. We can proudly speak about our track record on matters agriculture, and farmers and pastoralists will be our witnesses. We have transformed the education space. All the challenges that were there.
Asensemo yae murevike magia ODM mo seneta Oburu Odinga digobono anyare kugendera gusingira buna na bwatu kwegena wetira ase serikali yobwamo Kenya negenderete gusaba Kenya bagenderete konyora obukoreri obuya na bwigasa tebruna yenere serikali erachikora ense ya Kenya goikirania amaroro yo mwaka bwechirubere 2050 nomo.
In the next 2 days, we are going to look at issues which affect our country, the issues which we have achieved, and what we are planning to achieve. The issues which will catapult this great community of ours, of ODM and ODA, to power next year in 2027. We have our representatives up to the polling station. And Mr. Speaker, Your Excellency, Mr. President, many people admire us. They want to copy what we are doing. But we deliberately and consciously decided that our country will not go to the dogs when some people went to the streets to try to change the government through the streets. We said government should not be changed through streets, through demonstrations. government must be changed through the ballot. And we believed in the stability. So when there was a little shake, we said, no, let us come in and join President Ruto, because looking at the options then, there was no anybody who was better than Ruto. Even if we still thought he was a devil, he was a better devil than the other devils.
Utikana nayo chinga kiyo moseneta wa kaunti ya Nairobi na wabwatani kurase erombe ya linda mwananchi bagenderete kubeka guse gukora wake kuko ase Chinsemo ona woigo gutara Chinsemo tiria orugongo rwa Western Kenya na weekend yiga ase kaunti ya Kakamega nikobono oyo tenenerete gusoyoro murikyo monene ebwikiombe kya bakori emirimo gya kotu Francis Atwoli wono anyare kumochia chitarecho na boigo anyare kumochia umuseneta Sifuna satebire nero genderete koleta ugwatananekana ase abamenyi gose watani begesaku kyomuluya na boigo chinga kiecho nigobono atebruna nigo bagenderete kungainana asense moyo kwambereria serikali una abasaye mbanyare kora satebire emirimo y'abasaye mensi ya Kenya ebonete koba okwane kibuna banyare kubeka oburendi korende oburai wena no chese abarai bali banyare gutwara bumanyi voisaine
wanamsingizia Raila hawa haswa huyu kijana anaitwa Sifuna. Yeye ndiye aliandika agreement ya mkataba kati ya chama cha ODM na chama cha UDA. Leo hii amepatiwa hela chache na watu wengine wa kugawa jamii ya Kibaluya. Anasema yeye ana spirit ya Raila. Mimi nataka kuambia hawa vijana, na bahati mzuri jana walikuwa kule kwetu Kakamega, na hapa kukuwa hata na mbunge mmoja elected, ama mzee, ama mtu ambaye anajua kule siasa za Kenya zinaenda. Mimi nataka kuambia ni watoto wadogo sana. Ndio kasi ya vijana ni kulinda nchi, lakini sio uongozi. Vijana ni kuingia kwa majeshi, kwa polisi, walinde nchi. Na wasituambie wanataka kuwa viongozi. Tutaonyesha kilichomfanya punda asimee pembe.
Na homancho murigire kubwatikana nebikoro byo kungusana kogenderete anamuna se sekta ya mwana yoborendi me yensi ya Kenya muraiwe kya magia DCP musikeriga Gachagua asense moyae nikobono amochirie serikali na boigo wizara yoborendi boime asate biri na habo bisa kusaba abanyanyimbo bonsi bali babere bakubwatirani wase bikorwa byo gosaga na Kenya wita Kenya kubarasa na oigo bange bairire amagima y'aba Kenya gosira nigobono babere bakwegererwa gose amachiko nigabere gakobekwa batarabekwa biara gose kurukiwa bosiwe bigambiro binde byonsi.
Polisi ndio wanatumika na serikali kuua wa Kenya. Huyu DCI Mohamed Amin kazi yake ni cover up. Hapo Mount Elgon iko mtu alikuwa anasimama kiti hapo ameuawa. Family wamenitafuta nikiji tangaza DCI is covering up wale watu ambao wameua huyu alikuwa anapigania kiti hapo Mount Elgon. So that is the problem we are having as a country, ya kwamba serikali ndio inaumiza wa Kenya, na ndio tunasema tourists are not safe, investors are not safe, na hiyo ndio tatizo ambayo tuko nayo. Na mimi nauliza William Ruto, wewe rais, hata kama umeharibu uchumi, umeharibu afya, umeharibu masomo, hii maneno ya kuambia polisi waue watu wa Kenya, jenzi uliua, wale walibaki ulisema wapigwe risasi kwa mguu. Sasa umetengeneza kikosi ati mtu akikosana na mtu mwingine anaenda analipa polisi wanaua yeye. Sasa what kind of a country are we having as Kenya, where the police are assassins for hire? So we are having police that are killing people in the country. DCI Mohamed Amin kazi yako ni cover up. Siku nimemtangaza anajaribu kuambia wa Kenya, hata hiyo watu waliongea na simu na Rigiji, anafikiria Wakenya ni wajinga. Sasa Rigiji ataongea nao watu na Edi anatangaza ile watu wameua watu. So tunauliza wewe William Ruto, tafadhali, Hii maneno ya kutumia polisi kuua watu, hii maneno ya cover up by DCI must come to an end. And we ask
Muligirerio Getembe TV abuno ngukorera Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asobwenge tumurane na gusangaya na mange asenjira iri ya venikima gikoraga Chinsa ikomi cha rero marogoba kurinda asebire biga nigo umurobiri of vibes oranyara gosoa asembyo chengoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa nere Eugene koro ase studio kabiri gendera utwara mugasomia nabo igo uburigireria obya